If you're getting the error Windows cannot find, make sure you typed the name correctly while opening pictures with the Photos app. Follow these steps. First, type Photos in the Windows search box. Right-click on the Photos app and select App Settings. Scroll down. Click on Terminate. Then click on Repair. Once the repair is complete, if it still doesn't work, click on Reset, confirm the reset, and check again. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall the Photos app. Search for Photos in the Windows search box. Right-click on it and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, open Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Photos and install it again. Then, try opening your pictures. If you're still receiving the error, download and install Microsoft Photos Legacy from the official Microsoft website. It will redirect you to Microsoft Store, where you can install it. After installation, right-click on your picture, select Open With, and choose Photos Legacy. If you want to set it as default, right-click the picture, go to Properties, click on Change next to Opens With, select Photos Legacy, and set it as default. One of these steps should fix the error and allow you to open pictures normally. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.